Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. A person's maximum heart rate and beats per minute can be estimated by the expression 220 negative x, where x is a person's age in years for 20 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 70. If it is generally recommended that at least 50% but not more than 80% of the maximum heart rate be reached during exercise, which of the following inequalities represents the target heart rate h in beats per minute for a 30-year-old? In the given information, we have an expression over here that is 220 negative x, and this expression can be used to find the estimated maximum heart rate for a person who is x years old. That is, in this expression, this x represents the person's age in years. Okay, now let me take this expression as it is. It is 220 negative x. According to the question, we have to find heart rate for a 30-year-old. Since the age of the person is given, that is 30 years, we can plug in 30 for the x over here. When I do so, I am getting 220 negative 30, then I am getting 190. For a 30-year-old, the estimated maximum heart rate is 190. Okay, now let's go over the other information we have in the question. It is generally recommended that at least 50% but not more than 80% of the maximum heart rate be reached during exercise. That is, during exercise, in this maximum heart rate for a 30-year-old, minimum 50% should be there and maximum 80% should be there. So during exercise, to get the minimum heart rate, what we have to do is we have to calculate 50% of this 190. Okay, let me do it. 50% of 190 equals to, we can convert this 50% to decimal, then we get 0.5. We can write this y as multiplication, 190. So when I multiply this 0.5 and 190, I am getting 95. So during exercise, there should be the minimum heart rate should be 95 beats per minute. Okay, now to get the maximum heart rate during exercise, we have to take 80% of this 190. Okay, now let me do the calculation over here. 80% of 190. So when I convert this 80% to decimal, I'm getting 0.8 times 190. When I multiply this 0.8 and 190, I am getting 152. So during exercise, the maximum heart rate has to be 152. According to the information we have in the question, during exercise, the target heart rate is given by the letter h. So the minimum value of h is 95 and the maximum value of this h is 152. We can write this one as an inequality, that is 95 less than or equal to h less than or equal to 152. We find this inequality in answer choice C. So the correct answer choice for this question is C.